check this shit out. This is the part number. It's a BMW. And it's a V-band clamp. And it has the gasket built in. It looks like it goes on here and it pinches it when it goes in or something. So it's attached to the actual clamp. And then on top of that, when you tighten it, it goes in on itself. Where is it at? Right here. So like mine always has like a little gap. So it looks like this can go all the way to that much tighter because it's all the way out. And right now, it's almost 4 inch, the opening. It's like 3.5, so it's got to tighten, you know, 3 inch. I think I need one of these. I think that's exactly what I need. See that? It's got a little lip.